Today, I'm going to show you how to maximize your time spending working to boost your LinkedIn audience using the power of AI. We have robots at our command, so why not putting them to work for you? I've increased my sales and gained followers using ChatGPT, and so can you. Using ChatGPT to win on LinkedIn. ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence platform created by OpenAI, has been immersive to say the least. Some people love it, some people fear a Terminator-like scenario. Me? I'm more of a Black Mirror fan than a Terminator, personally, but I will still use AI in the time we have before it becomes a robot overlord. So, how does it work? I've tested out a few techniques, and what I've found ChatGPT is best for your LinkedIn growth is copywriting and content creation. It is a language model after all, so for those whose skills or time lies elsewhere than in creating elegant, interesting writing, ChatGPT is a savior. Don't have the money to hire a copywriter? Don't have the time to conceptualize, write, and edit content for your LinkedIn post? Then get the AI to do it instead. Who knows? Maybe I got ChatGPT to write this script right here? I didn't, honestly. Or did I? Almost sounds like a Black Mirror episode. Did Salina write this script or not? So without further ado, here are my 5 top strategies to use ChatGPT for getting clients, sales, and an audience on LinkedIn. P.S. I recommend signing up for ChatGPT Plus, which has an advanced feature like assessing external links, faster response time, and more accurate and relevant responses. It is a very valuable tool for anyone who needs to generate high-quality content or answer complex questions. Leaving engaging comments. When it comes to growing your following, it's all about getting your face, voice out there. As far as free ways to do that go, there are few better than leaving quality comments on a popular LinkedIn post. If you have got a relatively small audience, a really great way to consistently get traffic to your LinkedIn profile by commenting on posts from creators with large audience. The problem is that this can pretty much a very time-consuming way. That's why ChatGPT is great at responding to LinkedIn posts, often splitting out comments that can be sent with minimal to no editing. Find a popular LinkedIn post and click copy link to post, enter a prompt on ChatGPT like this, responds to this LinkedIn post in a positive and insightful way. Paste the link here and customize it to fit your tone of voice. Let the AI do the work, edit as you need it. Then post. While it might not be the most genuine of interaction, posting AI-generated comments, from my experience, most of what ChatGPT gives me fit my definition of quality comments. That's it. It's specific and adds something to the discussion. Edit it by using a reply prompt such as make it shorter and reply it in casual, friendly, or professional tone. The whole idea is like chatting with an online assistant, working on the best answer for you possible. Number 4, editing your LinkedIn profile. If you're like most professional on LinkedIn, your writing probably falls somewhere between passable or pretty good. Not many people, busy entrepreneurs especially, can crank out flawless copy with ease, and that's perfectly fine. ChatGPT can edit your writing for clarity, length, and even insert some humor. Simply copy-paste your about section from your LinkedIn and ask AI to improve that. Here are some of the examples of the prompts that you can use. Edit the following: LinkedIn profile for clarity and length, and add some humor. And then you can insert the profile text. Edit my LinkedIn profile to highlight my expertise in B2B sales. Then you can insert your profile. Adding an interesting hook to my LinkedIn about section that use humor to show my skills. Again, insert your LinkedIn profile. Be sure to be specific about how you want it to be edited. don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts. Number 3, search engine optimization. While LinkedIn profiles and posts don't have the same level of SEO capabilities as traditional websites, there are still ways to optimize your content on LinkedIn to improve your visibility. SEO is another task often outsourced to professionals, so ChatGPT present a great opportunity for use as a quick fix for those who don't have the budget to hire a pro. Including relevant keywords in your LinkedIn profile or post tags is the best way to improve your search rankings. If you don't know what keyword to use, you can even get ChatGPT to suggest some based on your niche. Once your LinkedIn profile is fully optimized, generate some SEO-friendly hashtag for use in your LinkedIn content. Here are some of the quick examples of how you can use ChatGPT to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Ask ChatGPT for industry-specific keyword or key phrases relevant to your professional expertise. Request tips on incorporating that industry-specific keyword while maintaining a coherent and engaging narrative. Share your existing LinkedIn headline with ChatGPT and ask for suggestion to make it more SEO friendly. Hey you? Yes, I'm talking to you. I'm interrupting my own episode for this. Looking to supercharge your business growth rate using LinkedIn? Here are the 3 ways we can help. Number 1, you can get our signature LinkedIn for Business program right down in the description box below. Or, not convinced? Join our free community, a home for entrepreneurs who wants to create follow-worthy personal brand and convert connection into clients using LinkedIn. Or, book a call with me and my team to make LinkedIn work for you and your business. All the links in the description box below, and let us be your biggest LinkedIn cheerleaders. Thank you so very much. And as for now, let's head back to the channel. Number 2, creating content? Got writer's block? No problemo. ChatGPT can not only help you to craft great content, but it can help suggest topics for said content. If your niche is fitness, try following the prompt like list 10 viral content titles for social media about fitness and health. Give examples. ChatGPT is the ultimate brainstorm buddy when it comes to generating content ideas. With its vast knowledge and understanding of language, ChatGPT can really help you to come up with unique, creative, and engaging ideas that will keep your audience coming back for more and more. Plus, its ability to understand context and trends means you will always be on top of the latest and greatest content ideas. Once you've got a headline, you can even ask it to write an article based off that. Don't forget to edit, fact check it, because AI isn't perfect yet. My team and I have used ChatGPT for content ideation, grammar checks, and more. We've cut down our time spent on these tasks by 60%. Now we can focus more on really important stuff, supporting our clients in the in-academy school and improving the experience with our programs. Number 1, develop a marketing strategies. As long as you feed ChatGPT the right prompts with enough specific information about what you want, there's really no questions too big for it to tackle. Again, Black Mirror fans might be shaking their head at me right now. I know. We've all seen how this story ends. But for now, let's use it to develop a personalized LinkedIn marketing strategies. Here's an example of a prompt that you can use. Give me our marketing strategies and content publishing calendar for a personal trainer who helps busy executive to lose weight and live a healthier life and wants to grow their influence on LinkedIn. Give me a 6-month timeline with 8 pieces of content per month. This prompt should give you a wide scope strategies. When you've taken what you need, experiment with more prompts that dial down in specific areas. For instance, what's the best method and frequency to schedule social media posts? There you have it. ChatGPT isn't just a college kid trying to complete overdue essay. It can really help you entrepreneurs to nab some clients using LinkedIn as well. While AI like ChatGPT can be a game changer for content creation, don't forget the importance of personalizing the things it delivers to fit your needs tone of voice, and audience. After all, the most engaging content comes with a human touch. So now, what are your thoughts and experience on using AI on LinkedIn? If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share weekly videos full of try and tested strategies to build your LinkedIn up for success. If you're interested, join me at the In Academy School, where I teach business owner, entrepreneur, how to turn your LinkedIn connection into high-ticket clients. In Content Conversion System, I'll be showing you how to create powerful content that opens heart and wallet guarantee. Stop all the guesswork and learn exactly how it works, LinkedIn algorithm. It's really your step-by-step playbook right here. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I cannot wait to see you next week. Bye for now, insiders.